Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to add friends to your Snapchat widget on your iPhone lock screen. So for you to do that, you have to swipe down to your notification bar on iPhone, then you tap and hold on the home screen, then you click on customize, then you select lock screen, then you add widgets. Once you tap on widget, you scroll down, then you tap on Snapchat, then you move down to pin a friend or a group. Then right here you can decide to pin a friend, then you tap, then you select, you can see choose a friend, you choose, then it will open up a tab where you can pick your Snapchat friends and the particular friend you would like to pin to your iPhone lock screen. So let's try pick one person. Okay, let me pick Petty Queen. You can see, then you swipe down, you can see right here, then you tap, then you done, and that's it. You can see. Thank you.